Hey guys, this is David with TruDreams Fitness, and I've got an awesome, easy recipe for you guys for breakfast or second, third meal of your day. But this is an easy meal prep with high protein, low carb. So less than 200 calories. This has 37 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, and 2 grams of carbs. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start off with 2 packages of the 99% ground turkey. And typically I like to add some of the usual all-purpose seasoning. I'll season both those bad boys, put them in a pan, and then cook them till they're nice and brown. Not too brown, because you don't want to overcook them so your meat is totally dry. But we get those both cooked at the same time, and then we'll put those in a bowl once we're done. Now, once those are done, we're going to get our bell peppers out. I like to use the multi-pack here. I've got 3 of these bell peppers. We have the yellow, we have the red, and we'll slice these bad boys up, and then we'll put them aside for now until we start putting this meal back together. Now, the last thing we're gonna cook is 100 grams of egg whites. Pour my 100 grams in, and then let it cook on just one side, and then I flip it out, put it onto a plate. Cooking eggs like this is so easy, man. Just pour 100 grams in a bowl, put it into a warm, medium warm pan. You don't want it sizzling hot. Make sure you lightly spray that bad boy with some light stick, and then cook it for just a couple minutes, and it's done. Flip it out. So we've cooked our ground turkey. Now we've cooked our eggs. Now let's start putting everything together. We got some green spinach going in here. So I put a handful in each of these containers. All right, now let's add 4 ounces of this 99% ground turkey. And you can do one side, but I just spread it down the middle and just cover the whole bowl. I mix everything together. Some people like to eat all their stuff one at a time. I just mix it all together. So I just put it all in the middle of the bowl. I just put a small squirt of some sriracha sauce just to get a little kick in there. I don't put too much because I don't like it too hot. Bell peppers, and I usually add about 30 grams, which is actually quite a bit for a bowl this size. So 30 grams of bell peppers, and I just sprinkle it all in there since I like to mix all my stuff. Again, this could be a time where if you want to divide out your stuff and put it into halves or thirds. Is the egg. So we have our cooked egg, and you can make it pretty on top. I just typically lay it on top, fold it, and then we put the lids on, and we're good to go. Now, this is a great meal that you can actually eat cold, because a lot of times I'm on the go, and because I meal prep, I may be eating in my truck. I may not have access to a microwave, so this is actually a great meal. Now we've got all 5 days worth. Super simple.